Assalamualaikum and hello. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do the Hec-ras project. Hec-ras stands for Hydraulic Engineering Center River Analysis System. It is a computer program that models the hydraulic of water flow through nature river. Okay, first to start the program, we need to create a file. So we go to File, click at New Project. Then you can create one folder to put all the title of your project in one folder. Next, type the name of the project that you want, and then you can click OK. So like our project, we set it as the Hec-ras cross-section project, steady flow and unsteady flow. Next, we need to check the units that we use. So we need to change the unit first because it's using the United States customary unit. So we need to change it to the standard one, which is the System International Metric System. So you click at this and then click OK. Click Yes. Next, we need to enter all the lines. So you click at the Edit or Enter Geometric Data. Okay, we need to draw a line, the river line. We can refer to the schematic of river of data that is given. So to draw a line, we need to click at the river reach. It's okay. It's very important to draw the line from upstream to downstream. So to click the name, we need to double click and it will pop up this window. So you need to type the river name and then the reach. So for example, you can write Sungai Kuantan and the reach is upstream. So I give you the example of our project. Cross-section project, and then click OK. Okay, it's wrong. One is king. Cross-section project, we need to click at it and the program will run. So click back at the Edit or Enter Geometry. So this window will pop up. So this is what we have done. We have draw all the line based on this data. So that's the very first step. And then you click at the junction to put the junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. And then next, after we have done all the line, we do the cross section of the river. So click at the cross section here and it will pop up this window. So as you can see, this is from river Sungai Berapit to reach Sungai Berapit. So we click back at the data and click at river cross section. So we need to find all the data from here. Like this one, Sungai Berapit to Sungai Berapit. So the elevation is from 40, 39, 38, 37. It's very important to put the elevation from the left to the right. So as you can see here, we put the river station according from left to right. And the station and elevation, you can get it from the data, including the downstream reach length and Manning's value. The LOB and ROB stand for left and right. This data also you can find at here. It's already be given in the data, so you just need to copy it back. And you need to write the cross section for all the river. As you can see, this is like Sungai Kuantan to upstream, and this is the shape of the cross section. This is the shape, as you can see, for midstream 2. This is the shape, and that's all. Whenever you are done with the thing here, don't forget to save all the geometry data. Okay, next we will see for the steady flow data. So we need to open the project first. Alright, double click here and then click OK. and the program will that, and then we click at the edit or enter steady flow data. Okay, as you can see here, this is the profile one. To get this data, you just need to refer to the data that is been given here. The profile one, this is the station, and we just need to copy it back from here to here. Just exactly follow all the data here. And this is the river and the ridge. For Sungai Kliu, the river station is here. And as you can see, the number of profile here is 1, only 1. That's why the profile is 1. Next, we go to the ridge boundary condition. Okay, as you can see, this is the noble depth for the river and the ridge. The noble depth you can get at the data. So after you fill in all the normal depth, you click OK and click at the apply data. And after that, to this program to run the steady flow, click at this picture here. Click at here first. As you can see, the steady flow. The flow regime, you click at mix, and you can compute to see if there is an error. So there is no error. Okay, you click at close, and then you click here. Okay, this is, as you can see the energy grid line, the critical ground, and everything for the steady flow part. So that's all from the steady flow. Okay, next we will see the unsteady flow. So click at the file, open project, search for the unsteady, click OK. For the unsteady flow, don't click at the quasi unsteady flow data, but you click at the edit or enter unsteady flow data. So here you can see the Sungai Berapit, and the station is 40. Sungai Jin to Sungai Jin, the station is 3, and so on. So as you can see here, flow hydrograph. You click at here, and you can click at here, flow hydrograph data. We need to put all the flow hydrograph data here, and the data you can get from the Excel, from the assignment data here. As you can see, the time interval is 6 minutes, so we need to change the data time interval here to 6 minutes, and the date here is one of our member birthday. Okay, and the flow here, you just copy from the data. As for this one, this is for Sungai Berapit, and after you have insert all the data, you click OK and go to the next one, which is Sungai Jin to Sungai Jin. Click at flow hydrograph, insert all the data. As you can see, the flow, you can refer to the Sungai Jin. Okay, and then after you have insert all the data, you click OK. So from the data, you can see that quantum midstream 3, it's insert the normal depth 0.001. So at here, you click at here and go to normal depth and insert the normal depth that is being given to you here, and then click OK. Okay, after you have insert all the boundary condition, next you go to the initial condition. For the initial condition, you need to put the data for initial flow. You can put any number you want. So for our group, we choose 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Don't forget to apply your data at here, and then save your unsteady flow data. After we finish all that, we need to run the program. So for the unsteady flow, you need to click at the perform an unsteady flow simulation, and for the programs to run, you need to click at all the button here, and then choose the date here, and the date must be the same as the previous one. So for our group it is 28 February 1996. The starting time is at 12 and the ending time is after 5 hours, and the computation interval we choose for 5 minutes, and our hydrograph output interval and detail output interval we choose 30 minutes. Then after that we click at the mixed flow regime, and then we click at compute, and then we wait to see if there is any problem. Okay, so there is no error, which is good. Okay, so after that we close it, and let's run the unsteady flow. So click at this button. I'm wrong. Click at this button, and you can see your unsteady profile. This is the shape of Sungai Berapit to Sungai Berapit, Sungai Terapai to Sungai Terapai, Sungai Kuantan to midstream 3, and this is the profile of the unsteady flow. As you can see, the water level for Sungai Kuantan midstream 3 has exceeded the critical maximum water level. After that, you can view the cross section of the river. So this one, as you can see, for Sungai Berapit to Sungai Berapit, the water level, maybe we can, we also can check the water level of Sungai Kuantan, the shape of the water level. Okay, I think that's all from us.